One of my favorite quotes is good, better, best, never let it rest, till the good is better and the better is best. Good literally is the enemy of the best. If you're satisfied with good, it's difficult to become better, let alone become your best. And the mindset of becoming your best is the idea of asking the question, how can I do better? What does my best look like individually, as an organization, in my relationships? Now think of this. Right now, someone is out there thinking about how they can serve your customers better and put you out of business at the same time. Disruptive technology is growing at an amazing rate, and either you will be disrupted or you will be the one doing the disrupting and being the very best at what you do. And a good example of this is Kodak and BlackBerry, just to name a few, who were industry leaders and within a short period of time were near bankruptcy. Why? Because someone figured out how to serve their customer better. I appreciate the quote by Mahatma Gandhi. He said, "Speed is irrelevant if you're going in the wrong direction." And the very purpose of the 12 principles of highly successful leaders is to help you steer your organization in the right direction, to build a powerful culture of excellence, and to be the one doing the disrupting and not be disrupted. I'm going to tell you a little story about Stephen Covey, then we're going to come back and have Christy respond to this, take a crack at it. We were in a board meeting, and we were discussing a very intense issue that I know that Stephen opposed. And there was another person that was strongly really presenting and trying to sell everybody on his point of view. I will never forget what Stephen did in that meeting. He took his chair and he scooted it over here right next to this person, and he looked at him and he said, "Thanks for bringing this up." So what was that? What step? Step where it's acknowledging. He said, "I'd love to hear everything about this and really try to understand your thinking on it. Do you mind sharing with me your ideas and thoughts about it?" That was it. And he just listened. I knew he was boiling inside. Okay? Because I knew him very well. And but he just looked at him, and the more I looked at him, this guy just settled down. And it changed the whole tenor of the meeting. But it also settled Stephen down. I could see him just getting calm and relaxed and also really understanding. And then he said, "So what you're saying basically is this. Did I get it right?" I said, "Yeah, that's pretty close." He said, "Just one other thing." And then he said, "Well, I'm going to think about this. So thank you for your perspective." And we went on to the next item. That was pretty powerful for me. That was a great learning experience.
Hi, this is James Malinchak, featured on ABC's hit TV show Secret Millionaire, and I put on over 200 plus of my own events and workshops, seminars. I had the Becoming Your Best information presented to my attendees, and they loved it. It was cutting edge, and it's based on 40 years of research. If you're looking for a message that will impact your organization, your employees, your attendees, then you've got to hire the Becoming Your Best trainers and speakers. You'll be so grateful you did.
If you're trying to make a determination, you're going to go with Becoming Your Best or some other training company. This training is fun. This training is engaging. This training will affect your bottom line.
As I've traveled the world and had the opportunity to speak well over 1,000 times to organizations, you know, there's always this lingering question in my heart, and that is, will the people in attendance really get it? Will they really understand and receive at the highest level of inspiration? Or are they just going to come and be temporarily motivated? Or worse, just even instructed? I chose to become a speaker and a trainer with Becoming Your Best primarily because they figured out the missing link, the golden ticket to ensuring that an organization doesn't fall victim to another temporarily motivating leadership training.
We look forward to a world-class keynote or seminar with your organization.